Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6 subject maths new chapter symmetry. Dear students, let's we talk about the introductions. Symmetry is defined as the balance and proportionate similarity which is found in two halves of an object. That is, one half is the mirror image of the other half. The imaginary lines or the axis along which you fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical half part is called the line of symmetry. Say for example, these are the figures which has a one line of symmetry, you see. So when you half it like this way, so exactly half you can find another way. So when you put the mirror over here, you can find this portion, same portion which is on the right side, same portion which is you get on the left side. This is also one line of symmetry figure H. This glass symmetrical figure. B symmetrical figure. V symmetrical figure. Means when you put the mirror vertical you can find this. When you put the mirror over here horizontal you can find this. In some of figure you find vertical line. In some of the figure you can find horizontal line. So above these all are symmetrical figures which you observe into two halves of an object. Here you can see here the picture of mirror. Here when you draw the picture on the half of the picture you draw on the paper. And when you put the mirror over here you can get the complete figure on the other side. That is mirror image and it is called reflection. Here you can see the Taj Mahal. This Thiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu, this temple that you can see also it is in the design of that symmetrical figure. Butterfly, symmetrical figure. This butterfly, this spot, this smile symbol, symmetrical figure. Now, here you can make symmetrical figure, that is when you prepare project on symmetrical figure you can use ink, right? Take one paper and put the drop of ink and make it halves, two halves. In exactly वो paper के बीच में से दो part कर दो, right? Don't tear that paper. And when you unfold it, first you fold it and then you unfold. You can find such type of figures. Right? That is also symmetrical figure you can find. Okay, start from exercise number 13.1, where list any four symmetrical objects from your home or school. So symmetrical figures that just now we have discussed about it, and you have also studied in your last year, right? So list any four symmetrical objects from your home or school. You can find, just now we have discussed so many figures, that is symmetrical figures. Now question number 2, for given figure which one is the mirror line L1 or L2? So naturally from the figure you can see L1 and L2, but L2 it is act as a mirror line, because when you act L2 you cannot, when you exit they do not match from the horizontally, but they are matched vertically. So L2 which is act as a mirror line, है ना. आप मिरर लाइन ऐसे फाइंड आउट करोगे कि जैसे वहां से आप फोल्ड करो पेज तो एग्जैक्टली मैच होनी चाहिए फिगर. तो L2 से आप मोड़ोगे, राइट, यहाँ से आप पेज मोड़ दोगे तो ये पार्ट इस पे मैच हो जाएगा. लेकिन ऊपर से नीचे मोड़ोगे तो ये तो ट्रायंगल जैसा है और ये स्क्वायर जैसा है, तो वो मैच नहीं होगा. सो L2 विच इज कंसिडर एज अ मिरर लाइन. Identify the shape given below. Check whether they are symmetrical or not. So question number 1 is a homework. Question number 2, mirror line is L2. Question number 3a, here I have draw the mirror line over here. So when you fold from here, it is exactly coincide. This glass, when you draw vertical mirror line will come, right? Or you can say symmetrical line vertically when you draw, then it is matched. In figure C, you do not find any symmetrical line, but in figure D, telephone is there. You can draw the symmetrical line vertically. In E, you can draw the symmetrical line when horizontally, then they can match, but when you draw vertically, they cannot match. In figure F, you can draw the symmetrical line vertically, then they can match. In question number 4, copy the following on a square paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such as the dotted line is the line of symmetry. You see the answer over here. Now here I am drawing the vertical line because horizontal line I have already. Here the first figure is there. Here I am drawing the another figure. So you draw the line of symmetry and complete the figures. A. This is B figure. This figure is given. You have to draw this figure in the answer. Okay. So like this way you can complete C, D, E and F by yourself. Question number 5. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make symmetry. Here is the answer. Now this part, upper part is given. I have complete this lower part. Okay. Similarly, this question 6 which is wrong, right? Question 6. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of a triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetry. This is the solution of question number 6 over here. Now this portion is given. So when you draw the line of symmetry, you have to start from here. Correct? Exactly ये साइड पे जो है फिगर वही ये साइड पे फिगर है. Correct? Now you can observe figure with two line of symmetry, rectangle, figure with two line of symmetry. Correct? This X, it is also two line of symmetry, alphabet. H, vertical as well as horizontal, two line of symmetry. This doctor symbol, it is also two line of symmetry. This figure you can draw horizontally as well as vertical, means two line of symmetry. Shivji ka Damru, it is also, it have two line of symmetry. Now figure with more than two line of symmetry. Now you see equilateral triangle, you can find 1, 2 and 3 lines of symmetry. In regular hexagon you can find 6 line of symmetry. All these sides are equal, regular hexagon. So you can find in these 6 lines of symmetry. In this square you can find 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, vertical, diagonally, horizontal, diagonally. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines of symmetry you can find. And today's last point, exercise 13.2, question number 1, that is homework. Next time we will continue our session of these chapters. So have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.